Sunlight, it's not just for growing your garden anymore. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun to run your home. That's right, we're talking about solar power, a renewable and sustainable energy source that's available to anyone, anywhere. Think about it. Every day, the sun is literally showering us with free energy. Why not put it to good use? By installing solar panels, you're not only reducing your energy bills, you're also reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a greener environment. And it's not just about saving money or saving the planet, it's about independence, about freeing yourself from the clutches of utility companies. It's about taking control of your energy consumption and becoming self-sufficient. So take a moment to consider solar power. It's clean, it's green, and it's the future. And the future is looking bright. So why not join the solar revolution? Bring the power of the sun into your home today. Remember, every sunrise is an invitation to brighten your day with solar power. Embrace the power of the sun. Embrace solar power.